Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. For any DNS aspirant, IMUCT aspirant, as well as any GME aspirant out there, this video is very important for you. बाकी किसी के लिए नहीं है. So today I'm going to talk about International Maritime Employees Council. ये क्या है? आप क्यों जानना चाहेंगे? सर मैं तो शिप ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ. सुनिए, काम की चीज़ है. तो देर इज अ काउंसिल कॉल्ड इंटरनेशनल मैरीटाइम एम्प्लॉयर्स काउंसिल. इस काउंसिल के अंदर देर आर शिप ओनर्स, शिप मैनेजर्स, क्रू मैनेजर्स, बड़ी बड़ी सारी शिपिंग कंपनीज इस काउंसिल का पार्ट है. इस काउंसिल, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस काउंसिल? इट एंश्योर्स दैट व्हेन देर इज से union is there for seafarers like ITF is there, others are there, so now they can increase the wages which you would want, I would want. Similarly there should be someone from behalf of owners to speak as well. भाई seafarers के दुख तो आप मुझे बता रहे हो, what about owners problems when we lose money and all those things? So for negotiation IMEC is talking on the behalf of ship owners, ship managers and crew managers. समझ गए? तो सारी shipping companies, maximum shipping companies are a part of this council. So this council speaks on their behalf. So 279 companies are there from 42 countries. कुछ कंपनीज का आपने नाम सुने लाइक सी स्पैन, SCI, MSC, शेवरॉन, फ्लीट, शेल. देयर मेनी मोर कंपनीज जिनके अपने नाम सुनोगे. ये सब इस IMEC का पार्ट है. नाउ व्हाई दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज बिकॉज दे रन देयर कैडेट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. First they started in Philippines in 2015, approximately what I know. Last year they started this program in Ukraine as well. Oh sorry, 2022. And last year they started in India. In India they started for two branches. यही सुनना है. For DNS and for GME. For DNS they go to TS Rahman and for GME go to HIMT Chennai and METI Kochi. Copied guys? So अगर आपने अप्लाई करना आप यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे and you can tell that we are IMEC candidates. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. For GME students, as of now, if you are watching this video, if you have got in BTech Mechanical more than 60% consolidated, in English you have got more than 50% in 10th or 12th or in BTech Mechanical, and also your age is less than 24 years as of 31st March 2024, then you can apply right now. This video I am making on 23rd May, so by 15th June is the last date as far as I remember. So फटाफट in the link given below in the description box you will find a Google form. Please fill that form immediately. Only for GME candidates I am telling this. Please fill that form immediately and maybe we can get a webinar for you guys where we can inform you. For DNS candidates already IMUCT दे रहे हो, अगर आपने TS रहमान में अप्लाई करा हुआ है, so they will find out opportunities for you. Copied guys? Next, what are the advantages? Advantages are that there are a lot of shipping companies इस IMEC में, those who have never taken Indians. So now they will be telling IMEC कि भैया मुझे तो Indians चाहिए. So IMEC has got these colleges and they will tell them कि भैया हमें Indian GME candidates भी need और Indian DNS candidates they need. So now these students when they apply at IMEC they will be clearing IMEX exam. Then after that they will be clearing interview of those particular shipping companies as well. Once they clear medical done, they become candidates of those shipping companies. Copied. Advantages क्या है? Advantages है बहुत सारी शिपिंग कंपनीज हैं जिन्होंने अब तक इंडियंस लिए, तो मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर इंडियंस. वंस यू गो आउट देयर इन दो शिपिंग कंपनीज एंड इफ यू परफॉर्म वेल मे बी दे विल टेक मोर इंडियंस. गुड फॉर अस. More employment opportunities for you. So like right now if you're a GME candidate, you're looking for Anglo, you're looking for say IMS Goa, you have bought the Dreamer package, you have a GME Excellence package, but still you're not going to get through. This can be an additional opportunity for you. Say you're an IMUCT candidate, you want to get in DNS, कोई अच्छा कॉलेज नहीं मिला which has been recommended by GMD Academy, then this can be an advantage for you. So more employment opportunities for you and more employment for Indians as well. So both it is good. But disadvantage क्या है? Since there are around 279 shipping companies as we could see earlier, बहुत सारी shipping companies के नाम मैंने भी नहीं सुने हैं. So I really do not know what are the advantages and disadvantages of those particular shipping companies that you are joining. And that is where the role of Merchant Navy Decoded comes in. Any GME candidate who wants to apply for looking for these opportunities, please immediately fill this Google form in the description box for GME candidates so that you can apply. And if you get selected in company, you can ask us, we'll try to find out on your behalf, and even you can do it on LinkedIn, we will guide you as well so that we can make well informed decisions. This is where the role of Merchant Navy Decoded comes. Similarly TS रहमान में जो लोग DNS के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, you can also message Merchant Navy Decoded कि sir this is the company that I am joining, what can be the advantages, what can be the disadvantages, should I join, what do you suggest? But आखिर में हमारी सारी बात मत, don't trust us completely, always have one eye open, one eye closed so that you can make decisions on your behalf. Copied guys? So this is something that I wanted to share with you guys. I think so very very important. I hope you like the video. This video is for DNS GME. Please go ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.